2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, down. Again. Repeat. Hands down. Pause. Left side. Bend your left side. Right. Okay, school, stand.
India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country. And I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all others respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion in their well-being and prosperity. Alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
Everyone, I'm Zoya of grade 8 Jasper. I'm here about international and national news. International news. China hints at relaxing zero COVID policy amid global outrage over crackdown on protests. National news. Earthquake of magnitude 0.0 Delhi NCR adjourning news. Thank you, my friend Emima will continue sports and states news. A very warm good morning to everyone. Today, I'm Emima from grade 8 Jasper. Today I'm here to say state and sport news. State news. VIII Sharmila arrested again for attempting to lay siege to CM KCR's residence. Sport news. FIFA World Cup Rashford's stars has England sink Wales to set up signal clash. Thank you, my friend Vishal will continue weather report.
Today's weather report is brought to you by G. Vishal Sir from grade 8 Jasper. Today's weather report. Minimum temperature 18 degrees Celsius. Maximum temperature 32 degrees Celsius. Mostly sunny. Thank you. Thought will be continued by my friend Netra.
And today's thought of the day is brought to you by Netra of grade 8 Jasper. Thought. A good education is a foundation for a better future. I repeat, a good education is a foundation for a better future. Thank you. What will be continued by my friend Varun Sandesh.
Brought to you by Varun of grade Jasper. Today's word is foundation. It is a noun. It means an underlying basis or principle. Friends, please spell after me. Foundation. F-O-U-N-D-A-T-I-O-N. Foundation. Thank you, my friend. Sacharan and Pranav will continue the activity.
Everyone, today we are going to converse about exam preparation. I am U. Saichan Sagar of grade 8 Jasper, acting as teacher.
I am here Pranav Kumar of grade 8 Jasper, acting as student. Let's start the conversation.
Hello Pranav, have you prepared for the exam?
No sir, I will start from tomorrow onwards.
The exam is too near Pranav. Do you remember your marks in the last exam? It would be best if you improve this time. And why are you still saying tomorrow?
I will start studying from today sir.
You don't look like interesting still.
Sir, actually maths is too tough for me. I think I have improved, I have to upgrade in my basics. That's why I am still confused.
Why didn't you tell me before? I would help you. Now you don't worry. I will help you. Come to me when I am free.
Thank you sir. Thank you so much sir.
You are welcome. And it's my duty. Thank you.